I'm gonna like put my fidget toys in a fidget bin. So let's start putting this cube on. Wait, is it recording? No, hey, I don't want that picture. I want that picture. Yeah, that picture. It's it better, right? So now let's put this cube puppet. I don't need you to be like that. I want you to be a good one. Now, my God, my other puppet over there. Okay, now I put my dimple over. Put it back. Put it back. My brother stole one of my fidget. No, not my emoji. My emoji is my fidget. Not the monkey noodle. Don't take my monkey. Put the monkey noodle back.
This one's more spinny.
Take your stupid fidget toy.
Don't.
So now we put my dimple. Now we have to put my my mini teeny tiny puppet. So now I put my. So now I put my. What is wrong with you with the fidget rings?
It tickles.
It doesn't tickle.
It tickles my toes as well. Wait, what? I didn't never put it in my toe.
You did. You just did it when I started this video. Can you put my monkey noodle back?
Oh,
My favorite color. No.
I'm going to put it in this hole.
Don't put it in this hole. It's dangerous.
No, I'm going to put it as a necklace.
Don't put it as a necklace. It will choke you. Stop, actually. I'm doing a video. Then finally made him go away. So now let's put my. I forgot what these called. But I love the color of them. Marble mesh, I think. So now you put our fingerings. So shiny. Look how shiny. Now we put in my fidget box. And then we put my monkey noodles. My pea popper. And then now you put this. This feels cool all together. It belongs to a fidget toy. But I like it to keep it in my hand. So I just called this a fidget toy. And cute emojis. It's so cool. My favorite one is this bear one. Squish. And then I got another kitty one. Kitty. And then another cat. I think I'm in love with cats now. Wow, look how much. And now the unicorn. Oh, unicorn. Okay, now let's just put this unicorn in there. And then the last thing is put. Wait, I'm confused. Okay, I thought it was still paused. My bike chain. So distracted. Like, it just wants you to keep playing with it. And there's my collection. Looks neat, right? Oh, where are you, bear? I can't see. Where's my bear? I'm gonna lose my bear. I found it. I'm just looking at the screen. That is my bear. Cute, isn't it? Cute. Okay, so that's all of my fidgets. Down is humongous. Do you like the background? Because that was my first art. I just want to play with my monkey noodle and that's it. Look. Wiggle, 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 boo, 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 boo. Comment down below what should I do next with my fidget toys. Wait, I got a mini dimple. Didn't you recognize that? And then I got a bunch of finger rings, emojis. That's my favorite. Pea popper. I might do a trade video. Don't you see the face? It's kind of blurry and dark because it's nighttime. Okay, gonna do a trading today, so look out for it. So bye, guys.